Hello friends, welcome to Amazing India. In today's episode, we will discuss about 20 natural wonders of India. We bet you missed in your geography books. One of the world's most varied countries in terms of geographical diversity, India has an astonishing array of natural wonders. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it now and stay with us till the end to know about all these 20 geological wonders of India. When we think about natural wonders, the Grand Canyon, the Great Barrier Reef, Mount Everest, and the Amazon rainforest are the names that typically come to mind. However, there is a treasure trove of strikingly scenic natural wonders a little closer to our home too. One of the world's most varied countries in terms of geographical diversity, India has an astonishing array of natural wonders. Some are pretty well known and undeniably spectacular, while others are less discovered gems. However, they have one thing in common: they will all take your breath away. So, if you are looking for some travel inspiration to reignite your wanderlust, here's a roundup of 20 lesser known natural wonders in India. Lonar Lake, Maharashtra. Incredibly old at 50,000 years, the Lonar crater is the youngest and the best preserved impact crater formed in basalt rock and is the only of its kind on Earth. The crater was formed 52,000 years ago when a gigantic meteor crashed into the Earth at an estimated speed of 90,000 km per hour. Over time, the jungle took over the deep depression, and a perennial stream transformed the crater into a tranquil emerald green lake. Today, the forest fringed lake, located in the Buldhana district of Maharashtra, is a wildlife sanctuary with a unique ecology that is vastly different from the surroundings flat landscape. Its water supports microorganisms rarely found elsewhere on Earth, while its surroundings are peppered with fragments of unique minerals like masculinite. Bora Caves, Andhra Pradesh. Most people have never seen a real cave in their whole lives. Still, those who do remain permanently fascinated by the amazing display of natural forests. The rock formation at the Bora Caves, located in the Anantagiri hills of Andhra Pradesh, Araku Valley, are proof that wonderful things can appear when water meets limestone. Among the deepest caves of India, the Bora Cave was created millions of years ago by the karstic action of the Gosthani River and has some spectacular speleothems. The local tribals also associate several legends to the caves. Interestingly, the cave is also highly valuable for anthropological research, with excavation unearthing stone tools of Middle Paleolithic culture, continuing human habitation in the area dating back to between 30,000 and 50,000 years ago. Riverine potholes of Nikhoj near Pune, home to a basalt rock riverbed hollowed by permeable potholes like a giant block of cheese. The village of Nikhoj is a place that stays with you long after your visit is over. These pot shaped craters, called kunds by locals, have been carved out by the waters of river Kukdi over thousands of years ago. Some of these potholes run 40 feet deep with swifts buildings nesting colonies in their overhanging rocks. Winter or summer is a good time to visit Nikhoj. about 2 hours away from Pune, as there is not much water in the river. A visit to this geological wonder can also be combined with a visit to the Morachi Chincholi, a unique village whose eco-friendly residents cohabit with hundreds of peacocks. Gandikota Canyon, Andhra Pradesh. With strikingly grandeur reminiscent of USA, a majestic Grand Canyon, Gandikota is a 300 feet deep valley located in Kuddapa district of Andhra Pradesh. Believed to be more than 1,000 years old, the canyon is also known for the 13th century Gandikota fort, an intricately carved citadel made of red sandstone. Few sites in India can beat Gandikota in instilling stupefying awe. Peering over the edge of this giant hole in the ground is enough of a thrill for some, but to really appreciate the canyon's grandeur, one can hike all the way up to the top of the gorge for unforgettable views of the river Pennar flowing through the forested canyon. Loktak Lake, Manipur, the largest natural freshwater lake in northeastern India. Loktak Lake is home to unique ecosystem called Fumdi. A Manipuri word means floating mats of soil, vegetation and organic matter. Resembling miniature islands, these fumdis are found in various forms, floating on the picturesque freshwater lake that serves as a lifeline for the communities living around it. What makes the Loktak Lake even more special is the Kelbul Lamjao National Park, located at the southwestern part of the lake. It is the world's only floating national park and is home to the endangered Manipuri brow antlered deer, Sangal. The biodiversity hotspot is also home to 233 species of aquatic plants, more than 100 species of birds, and 425 species of animals. Hogenakal Falls, Karnataka. It is not for nothing that this breathtaking waterfall is called Hogenakal, smoking rocks in Kannada. After winding its way through a placid valley between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, the river Kaveri cascades from a height of 150 feet, creating a spray so strong that feels more like smoke than mist. Bounded by giant black granite rocks on either side, Hogenakal is not a huge waterfall but a series of smaller falls that merge into a stream meandering towards hills in the distance. A peaceful coracle ride on this streaming lake you to a makeshift takes you to a makeshift market of freshly fried fish, while also letting you take a closer look at the little caves dotting the craggy cliffs lining its shores. Living root bridges, Cherrapunji. Centuries old living bridges over swift flowing streams provides a stable alternative to the easily destroyed wooden bridges in the fleshy rainy season of Meghalaya's Cherrapunji. Some well-known examples are the 180-year-old Nonghat, Nongralat double-decker bridge, the Rithmir Route Bridge, the longest at 30 meters, and the Mausaw Route Bridge that has several natural swimming holes nearby. constructed by the native Khasi tribe. These bridges have been built by tangling the naturally growing roots of Ficus elastica rubber trees native to the region through hollow betel nut trees trunk to form a structure that grows stronger over the years. Overbuilt, they don't need maintenance, with thickening roots enhancing the solidity of the base and the smaller vines growing into a protective railing. Marble rocks of Bhedaghat, Jabalpur. Perched on the banks of Narmada River, about 25 kilometers away from Jabalpur, the marble rocks of Bhedaghat are emblematic of the region's ancient geology, characterized by marble like limestone rocks, all lifted over eons into its presence rugged relief. The white grey of these rocks is due to the presence of a large amount of magnesium, which also lends it a soapstone like feature. At Bhedaghat, it's not just the height, about 100 feet, that impresses, but also the stunning spectacle created by the massive rock cliffs rising up perpendicularly from the placid blue green waters of the river. One can take a rather rickety boat ride through the 3-kilometer gorge that runs between these canyon like cliffs of or make a short detour to soak in the majestic beauty of the nearby Dhondar waterfall. Sangitsar Lake, Arunachal Pradesh. Formed as a result of an earthquake, Sangitsar Lake in Arunachal Pradesh is spellbinding in its beauty. The name of high altitude lake is actually pronounced as Shoga Sir by locals after the Shokatsen village that was transformed into a lake due to an earthquake in 1971. It is also known as Madhuri Lake after the actress shot here for the movie Koila and is deeply revered by Buddhists in both India and Tibet. Numerous dead tree trunks, which were once alive before the earthquake, emerged from the serene waters of the lake, creating a hauntingly picturesque imagery before visitors. Do note that a special permission from the District Commissioner's office at Tawang, about 30 kilometers away, is required to visit this lake. Floral blooms at Valley of Flowers, Uttarakhand and Kas Plateau, Maharashtra. One of the most beautiful floral blooms phenomena in the world, the Valley of Flowers is a spectacular natural show of over 500 species of alpine blossoms that takes place in the lush meadows of Uttarakhand's Nanda Devi Biosphere reserves between June and October. Now on UNESCO's World Heritage list, it was discovered by three British mountaineers in 1930. The equally stunning yet distinct floral bloom of Kas Plateau takes place in Maharashtra's Satara district between September and early October. The soil of this unique plateau is made up of large quantities of basalt, which makes it ideal for the interesting and vibrantly colored species of flowers that bloom here, like orchids and insectivorous plants. So the next time you are traveling to these two places, consider adding some flower power to your trip. Hide and Seek Beach, Orissa. The beautiful Chandipur beach, located in the Balasore district of Orissa, is home to a phenomenon that is rarely seen in any other part of the world. Every day, the sea here recedes during ebb till it almost seems to disappear, and then comes back later in order to fill up the massive void during high tide. The hide and seek of the sea comes to play twice a day and is the reason why the beach is home to a host of unique species like the horseshoe crab and the red crab. It's a surreal experience to watch the sea disappear before your eyes and walk on the exposed seabed that extends for nearly 5 kilometers. Magnetic Hill, Ladakh, a mysterious spot where the laws of gravity seems not to apply. Ladakh's Magnetic Hill has been baffling visitors for years. Perched at a height of 14,000 feet above sea level, the hill is located on the Leh Kargil Srinagar National Highway about 30 kilometers from Leh. As one reaches the spot, a sign along the road invites you to stop your car over a white square marked on the road before switching it off while in neutral gear. If you follow these instructions, the car appears to roll uphill on its own at speeds of 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. The reason for this strange occurrence is actually nothing but an optical illusion that the downhill road is actually an uphill road. Interestingly, a similar phenomena can be observed at the Kalo Dungar hills of Bhuj, Yana Rocks, Karnataka. The striking black monoliths of Yana village lie nestled along the primeval jungles and rolling hills of Karnataka's Uttara Kannada district. Made of crystalline cast limestones, the formation has two prominent rocks outcrops known as Bhairaveshwara Shikhara and Mohini Shikhara. At the base of the soaring rock giants lies a cave temple that hosts an annual festival during Mahashivratri. Reachable through a 3-kilometer trek, Yana Rocks also finds some interesting mentions in local folklore, which the temple's priest is only too happy to narrate. Interestingly, Yana's monoliths were relatively unknown spot until a few years ago when shot when they shot to fame after being shown in the Kannada's movie Namura Mandara Hovel. Krem Liat Pra Cave, Meghalaya. The southern slopes of the Gentlia Hills in the Meghalaya have more than 1,000 caves and crevices, and not all of them have been explored yet. Among these is the longest cave in India, Krem Liat Pra Cave, that was discovered in 2006. It is considered to be around 34 kilometers long. However, its length may extend manifold if nearby caves system turned out to be connected. a fantastic spot for spelunking or caving. Kremliapra Cave greets you with rugged rock formations, breathtaking stalac- stalactites, narrow passages, shallow pools, and spooky reflections. Exploring this cave is a thrilling experience you will not forget soon. Expect to climb, squeeze, duck, and even crawl as you Indiana Jones your way through it. Rivers Waterfall at Sinhagad, Pune. Located at the crest of the Western Ghats in Maharashtra, Malshes Ghat falls along the only motorable road between Kalyan and Ahmednagar. Perched along this scenic ghat lies Sinhagad Fort, a favorite weekend getaway of Punekars. The city lies about 25 kilometers away. Every monsoon, the mountainside along this stretch undergoes a makeover with lush greens and gurgling streams breathtaking life into the dusty brown earth. It is only during this season that one can see a reverse waterfall near the Sinhagad fort. A rare gravity defying phenomena, reverse waterfalls are formed during heavy monsoons when water starts flowing upwards due to its high pressure of the winds. Other than gorgeous trek and photo ops, a visit here also provides the unique, enjoyable experience of standing at the top of the waterfall behind a guarded railing and getting drenched in its reverse flow of flowing water. Mud volcanoes, Baratang Island. A rare geological phenomena, mud volcanoes are formed by emission of de- depressurized pore water and natural gases from decaying organic matter underground, accompanied by loud explosions and the flares. This gradually forms a miniature volcano with rich, creamy mud crater at the top. As per available records, the first observed mud volcano explosion on Bartang Island was observed in March 1983 in Nilambur village. Called Jalkis by the locals, these mud volcanoes have been sporadically erupting since then. In 2004-2005, the mud volcano eruptions witnessed a spur due to increased seismic activity in the region associated with the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake. Umngot River, Meghalaya. A little known gem, River Umngot flows through Dauki, a small but busy town in Meghalaya, East Jantia Hills district that's mere 95 km away from the capital Shillong. The site of a boat race held in March April every year, the river that extends into the plains of Bangladesh is famed for the incredible clarity of its waters that makes it almost completely transparent. Thus, one to clearly see both the river's thriving aquatic life and the rock strewn river bed from the boats of the local fishermen or the single span suspension bridge hanging over the river. At times, the bridge, the water is so clear that when seen from a distance, it appears as if boats dotting the river's emerald green surface are floating in mid-air. St. Mary's Island, Malpe, Karnataka, also known as Coconut Island or Thonsipar. St. Mary's Island lies one of the coasts of Malpe in Karnataka, renowned for its unique hexagonal columns of basaltic lava. This pristine little island is believed to have been a halt for Vasco da Gama during his journey to Kerala. In 1979, it was declared a National Geological Monument by the Geological Survey of India. Interestingly, while one half of the island are dotted by these rock pillars, the other half is shellfish haven, which with all kinds of seashells and pebbles, broken shells, smooth by years of relentless waves action, carpeting the beach. Belem Caves, Kurnool. Approximately 275 kilometers from Bangalore in the Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh sit the longest caves on the plains of India, the Belem Caves. These caves, which get their name from the Sanskrit word bilam, hole, were formed by the action of water flowing limestone deposits over millions of years, forming stalactites, stalagmites, siphons, sinkholes, and water galleries. Intricate formation and sculptures such as Simhadwaram, Vudalamari, and thousands hoods created by nature add immense to the allure of the Belem Caves. One of the most interesting features here is the Saptavarala Guha, the chamber of seven notes, where the stalactite formations produces musical sounds when stuck with a wooden stick or knuckles. Barren Island, Andaman. Surrounded by nothing but water for miles, Barren Island in the Andaman Sea provides glimpses of nature at its most primordial. Situated at the cross of the seismically active Indian and Burmese plates, the uninhabited island is 1.8 million years old and provides a place of rest for large marine creatures like turtles, mantares, and reef sharks on their migrations. The sand on the island's narrow beaches has a deep purple black hue. At places where the shrub covered slopes reach the sea, steam rises in swirling spirals as if reaching for the sky. A place where one can literally witness a planet building in action. A visit to Barren Island promises to be an electrifying experience. So friends, did you like this video or do you have something to share? Comment below and please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. See you soon in another video.